Okay, in this video, I'll show you how to create a new event for your business page. So go to your business page and here at the top, you will see a few buttons and you can create an event here. And in the new window, you can add information as what kind of event do you want to create. So for example, let's create event 20% off the opening sales. So let's add event name. So let's just put 20% off. We can change the cover of the event. We will need to design custom cover with Canva. So we cannot use the same size as for standard Facebook cover, but I'll show you in the next video how to design cover for the event. And obviously the location, so your business page, and you can add a description. For example, as a description, you can add 20% off all items bought at your URL. So obviously you put your store URL, sale ends this weekend, or even better, add the date when the sale ends. So make sure this is a sale with a specific end, so it's not ongoing, because people will not be prompt to act on ongoing sales. And select category. Let's click shopping and frequency. It occurs once, this particular event. And then obviously specify the date. So let's say it ends on the weekend. So we've got May. You can specify whether it starts now or tomorrow or some other date. And obviously what time it starts and what time it finishes. You can add a co-host. You can add further details as well. And obviously you can specify whether only admins, so whether only you can post or whether anyone can post on a page. Let's put that anyone can post in the event. Post must be approved. People can ask questions through the messenger as well. And when you're happy with it, you can click publish, or you can schedule it to publish at a later date. For now, I'll just publish it. Okay, so this is your event page. As I mentioned, you will need a custom size cover. So I'll show you the next video how to design with Canva. And you can obviously add future posts. You can add products that are on sale, and obviously you can invite followers to this event as well. So this is really great way to promote your business for free on Facebook.